Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. In today's video, we are going to give clear, complete and detailed information about the darshan tickets issued by TTD for senior citizens, physically challenged devotees and devotees with medical issues. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates related to Tirumala and Tirupati. Kindly share this video with your friends, family members, neighbors and colleagues so that this information reaches everyone who needs it. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams offers a free privileged darshan facility for senior citizens, physically challenged devotees and people who have specific medical conditions approved by TTD. This facility helps them have a comfortable and crowd-free darshan of Lord Balaji. These free darshan tickets are available only through online booking. Devotees can book them using the official TTD website or the TTD mobile app. Please clearly note that these tickets are not issued through offline counters at any place in Tirupati or Tirumala. All three main category devotees, senior citizens, physically challenged persons and persons with medical issues, are allowed to bring one helper with them for assistance if required. It is not compulsory for the devotee to bring a helper along. However, if a helper is required, it is mandatory to book a ticket for the helper at the same time along with the main category person. If the helper's ticket is not booked together with the main person's ticket, the helper will not be allowed to attend darshan. TTD provides free darshan tickets for helpers also. The details of the helper must be entered in the spouse details column regardless of whether the helper is the spouse or any other person. Helpers must not bring the children who are below 12 years of age for darshan as it is strictly not allowed. On the day of darshan, if the main category person does not come, the helper will also not be allowed for darshan because helpers are permitted only when accompanying the main category person. TTD releases a total of 1000 free privileged darshan tickets per day through the online booking system. Out of these 1000 tickets issued per day, the count includes devotees from all three main eligible categories as well as their accompanying helpers. Tickets for an entire month are released online 3 months in advance. For example, darshan tickets for the month of May are released online in February for booking. Since these tickets are provided completely free of cost by TTD, no payment option will appear during the booking process. Because of very high demand, all available tickets are usually booked within 4 to 5 minutes after the booking opens. Once the tickets are successfully booked, they cannot be cancelled or rescheduled under any situation. If a devotee books this ticket once, they will not be allowed to book the same ticket again for the next 90 days using the same mobile number login, Aadhaar number and email ID that were used for this booking. This 90-day rule applies equally to all three details: mobile number login, email ID and Aadhaar number. This 90-day period is calculated from the darshan date, not from the ticket booking date. After booking the ticket, the 90-day restriction will still apply even if the devotee does not attend the darshan. However, the same mobile number login, Aadhaar number and email ID can still be used to book other types of darshan tickets such as 300 rupees special entry darshan, Anga Pradakshanam, Arjita Sevas, Virtual Arjita Sevas, VIP darshan and similar tickets either for the same person or for different persons. To book this ticket quickly and without making mistakes, you can use the mobile clipboard option or a notepad copy-paste option. We have also uploaded a separate video on our channel that clearly explains how to use the mobile clipboard and notepad method effectively. You may watch that video for better understanding. Under a single mobile number login, only one ticket can be booked for one main category person along with one accompanying helper. A photo or a PDF file that is less than 1 MB in size must be uploaded while booking this ticket. Some people have mentioned that an error often occurs while uploading files. Therefore, it is better to upload images instead of PDF files. Only images with the file extension JPEG, JPG and PNG are supported for upload. Only one file or one image will be permitted to upload. You can book TTD accommodation online using this darshan ticket only if you book tickets for both the main category devotee and the helper together using the same mobile number login. The book accommodation link will appear under your darshan ticket only when two tickets are booked together through a single login. If you book a darshan ticket only for the main category devotee and do not include a helper, the accommodation booking link will not be enabled and that devotee will not be able to book a room online. Please note that TTD does not provide accommodation either online or offline for single individuals at both Tirumala and Tirupati. Accommodation can be booked once the general accommodation booking opens for that particular month using the accommodation booking link available under your darshan ticket. Only devotees holding a valid senior citizen darshan ticket are permitted for this darshan. Devotees who do not possess this ticket or those who were unable to book the senior citizen darshan ticket but hold other tickets such as 300 rupees special entry darshan, Arjita Seva, virtual Arjita Seva or any other darshan tickets will strictly not be allowed in this senior citizen darshan. Each darshan ticket will be scanned only at its respective reporting point and will not be accepted at any other location. TTD has clearly defined eligibility rules for each of the three categories. First, let us understand the rules for the senior citizens. A senior citizen must be 65 years of age or older and their helper must be 50 years of age or older. As per TTD guidelines, the helper should be the spouse of the senior citizen, either the husband or the wife. However, in certain situations, such as when the spouse is not available or is unable to travel, TTD officials may permit close blood relatives like son, daughter, brother, sister, or even cousins as helpers as long as there is a valid reason. In all cases, the helper must strictly be 50 years of age or above to be eligible. You must place the Aadhaar card of the senior citizen and the Aadhaar card of the helper side by side, making sure that the front side of both cards is clearly visible, and then take a single photograph using a mobile phone. This single photograph must be uploaded at the time of booking. During the darshan, the original Aadhaar cards of both the senior citizen and the helper must be carried along with the darshan ticket. Please note that grandchildren below the age of 12 years are strictly not permitted to accompany their grandparents for this darshan. For physically challenged individuals, there is no age limit for either the physically challenged person or the helper. Physically challenged devotees who do not have a spouse or whose spouse is unable to travel may bring their parents, siblings, or any other blood relative as a helper. While booking the ticket, place the Aadhaar cards of both the physically challenged person and the helper side by side with the front side of both cards clearly visible. Also, keep the physically challenged certificate issued by the central or state government near them. Take one single photo of all three documents together using your mobile phone and upload it during booking. On the day of darshan, the original Aadhaar cards of both the physically challenged person and their helper, along with the original physically challenged certificate issued by the central or state government, must be carried along with the darshan ticket. Physically challenged individuals are allowed to bring only their own children who are below 12 years of age. The child's Aadhaar card or school ID card must be shown as age proof during darshan. For devotees with medical conditions, TTD has clearly specified certain medical cases that are eligible for this darshan. These include kidney transplant, liver transplant, open heart surgery, dialysis, brain surgery, cancer, and spine surgery only in cases where the devotee is unable to walk. There is no age limit for either the devotee with medical condition or the helper accompanying them. Devotees with medical issues who do not have a spouse or whose spouse is unable to travel may bring their parents, siblings, or any other blood relative as a helper. Place the Aadhaar cards of the devotee with medical condition and the helper side by side, ensuring that the front sides are clearly visible. Also, place the medical certificate issued by the surgeon near the Aadhaar cards. Capture all of this together as a single photo using a mobile phone and upload it during booking. The original Aadhaar cards of both the medical category devotee and their helper and the original medical certificate issued by the surgeon must be carried and shown along with the darshan ticket at the time of darshan. Devotees booking under the medical category are allowed to bring only their own children below 12 years of age. The child's Aadhaar card or school ID must be produced as age proof during darshan. The reporting point for this darshan is the waiting hall, which is located on the South Mada Street near the Tirupati Balaji temple. The reporting time for devotees is 1 p.m. in the afternoon and the darshan will begin exactly at 3 p.m. The dress code for men is a shirt with a dhoti or a kurta with pajama, and the dress code for women is a sari or a chudidar with dupatta. TTD also provides battery car facilities from two different locations to help devotees reach this waiting hall easily. One battery car pickup point is the ET4 gate opposite the Rambagisha bus stand, and the other pickup point is the WQ4 gate opposite the SV Museum. These battery car services operate from 11:30 am to 2:30 pm and devotees can use them to reach the waiting hall. If you take the battery car from the Rambagisha side, it will drop you near the main entrance of the temple, from where you will need to walk for about 2 to 3 minutes to reach the waiting hall. If you take the battery car from the pickup point opposite the SV Museum, it will drop you directly at the entrance of the senior citizen waiting hall. There is a chapel and shoe deposit counter available at the entrance of this waiting hall. Inside the waiting hall, Annaprasadam and drinking water will be provided to all devotees. Restroom facilities are available both inside the waiting hall and outside the hall for the convenience of devotees. There is also a mobile phone and luggage deposit counter located inside the waiting hall. You can safely deposit your mobile phones, luggage and smartwatches at this counter and collect them from the same place immediately after completing your darshan. Wheelchairs are allowed only up to the waiting hall. They are not permitted inside the temple or inside the darshan queue. If you do not have a helper or if your helper is not present, you can request assistance from TTD officials during ticket verification if required. The officials will happily assign a sevak to support and assist you throughout the entire darshan process. Darshan starts exactly at 3 pm. Only devotees holding this specific darshan ticket are allowed to enter the queue. No other darshan ticket holders are permitted, so the queue remains rush-free and well-managed. However, towards the end of the queue, devotees with other darshan tickets will be allowed to join. Darshan of Lord Balaji will be allowed up to the point of Dwarapalakas Jayan and Vijayan. This darshan usually takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour, so that devotees can complete the darshan and exit the temple by a maximum time of 3:45 pm to 4:15 pm. There is generally less crowd during this darshan, so devotees can have a comfortable and peaceful experience. After completing your darshan, please collect your belongings from the deposit counter first. Opposite the waiting hall, there is clearly marked pathway that leads to the laddu counters. One laddu, priced at 50 rupees, is provided free of cost to each person upon showing the darshan ticket. At laddu counter building, counters 3 and 4 are reserved exclusively for devotees with this darshan ticket, allowing you to collect laddus without any crowd or waiting. If you wish to buy additional laddus, you can pay 50 rupees in cash for a regular laddu and 200 rupees for a big laddu. We hope this video has helped you clearly understand the darshan process and what to expect during your visit. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates about Tirumala and Tirupati. Also, kindly share this video with your friends, family members, neighbors and colleagues. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in another informative video.